What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. So I'm filming on the GoPro today, so it's gonna be a little different quality, but let me know what you guys think. Anyway, today we're taking the Corvette to get the angle kit and suspension installed. I'll unbox the suspension for you guys in a minute. It's pretty insane, but yeah, this thing's all working, good to go. Like I said, everything up here is not hard mounted. Oh, I should probably add a little brake fluid, but there's no brakes right now because Anthony came over, got that hydro hooked up in there. I'm gonna finish putting all that together once I get the car back. But yeah, we got to put the Volks on the rear to match the front. We got to do that before we take it. This thing's going to be set up as low as possible on these wheels, front and rear, because I want to be slammed like Anthony's car, because this is sick. And then yeah, Anthony's going to come later today. We're going to load this thing up, take it, and drop it off. Let me go show you guys the suspension, because it's insane. Ooh. Hi buddy, look at this guy. Hey, what's up? Everyone loves you. All right, see ya. Heavy. So for this Corvette, I partnered up with Fortune Auto, and we got some of their 510 series coilovers. Let me just say, these 510s are some of the nicest coils I've ever seen, and I'm not just saying that because they partnered up with me. They're insane. Like, the quality is just out of this world. So anyway, here we go. Start with the fronts here. We're doing all sorts of different spring setups. I got tons of springs and stuff, but these are them. These are the fronts. So the 510s, I think they have different valvings or something. I'm not 100% sure the difference. Apparently they're more track oriented than street, so they ride a little bit rougher on the streets, but that's okay because obviously this is going to be a pretty well set up drift car. At least that's the goal. I've honestly never seen coilovers this nice. Like, I've bought many other brands. I'm not going to name them, but they're just not as good quality. You can tell they're a lot cheaper. So yeah, those are the fronts, the rears right here. So I got all sorts of different springs. I'm gonna start off with a 6K rear, and then I can't remember what fronts these are, but this thing should be set up pretty similar to Anthony's car. And he was three-wheeling in Texas. That's what I want to be doing. I want to be three-wheeling in Texas. So yeah, Fortune Auto, did up. So yeah, Fortune Auto, if anyone wants to buy them, link will be in the description. First things first, let's get this thing on TEs all around. First time on the ground with TEs, here we go. Ooh. See how they look. Oh my god. What is this? There's two hands. It's probably because of the e-brake. Oh, actually, I'm gonna pull this thing outside. Here we go. Well, she start right up. Oh yeah. Oh, this car is so cool. I love it. It's so comfy in here too. I'll reinstall all this trim and stuff later, like I said, but at least we got all these lines ran. This will be the nicest drift car I own. It really will be, honestly. It's crazy. Everything sounds nice and healthy. Let's pull it outside. Running perfect. Step back and see how it looks. Oh my gosh. It looks so trash with this ride height. So trash. Holy cow. I swear it sat lower with the stock wheels. That's so weird. Oh, it's probably because they had bigger tires. That's funny. Look at that. I'm gonna be sticking out of these for sure. At least we're going wide body. It's pretty cool. It has these little compartments so I can put stuff. Corvettes really do have a lot of room, honestly. Running good. So happy. So happy. What I'm not happy about is this. but I've been grinding to get this done in the past 3 days. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hood on, and then we'll wait for Anthony. All right, well, hood doesn't really align at all. I mean, it kind of does. Lines aren't very good. This hinge is obviously bent because this got pushed up right here. This one did not, so I need to just get a new hinge, or I can try and bend it. But yeah, I can't get this side lashed at all. This side's good, but it's just gonna have to be like that for this weekend. It's fine. I don't really care, but anyway, just waiting for Anthony now, and then we're loading it up. Okay, so Anthony's here now. I got the big old rig over there, and we're about to load the vet up. Little Phaeton over there, so hopefully it goes well. You want to load it or you want me to? Okay. Well guys, looks like I'm loading it. First try. No brake, this is gonna be interesting. She's loaded. How's the look on here?
Good. It's awesome.
Oh, there she is, all loaded up. Ready to go get slammed with some coils and an alignment. Heck yeah. Oh, I guess I better guide Anthony up. He's got a W12 in it, by the way. Oh. No! All right, we're gonna get this thing loaded and then head out. Today's segment, towing with Anthony.
Towing with Anthony.
Got a big old rig back there. Just got back from dropping the car off. It's getting the angle kit, alignment, brakes, and hydro bled. And then we'll pick back up once we pick it up. It might be a week, so there's gonna be a big break in between these two cliffs. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I totally forgot to record the day we picked this up, but the Corvette's back, and look at her. I would open the garage, but it's like 30 degrees out and freezing, so I'm not about to do that. But this thing is a lot lower than it was. Sorry it's dark out here, hold on. There you go, there's a little light. So the rear, way lower. Got those really light springs in the back. As you can tell, we got some gnarly poke front and back. So those front fenders are gonna be literally perfect, and the rear fenders, which I haven't even showed you guys yet. Wow, that's bright. So I'll show you guys that later. But anyway, hydro is all bled. Boom, boom. So yeah, we still got a lot to do. We gotta put all the interior back in, gotta put the body panels on, gotta clean it, obviously, because it is a mess. Do the taillight mods. I have so many parts for this car and like just so much to do with it, but we were able to get really good camber in the rear. I'm pretty sure this is zeroed out, which is exactly what I wanted. And then in the front, obviously, lots of camber, lots of caster. Look at those arms, look at those Fortune Autos. Woo! So good, all that FDF angle. That's what we put on this, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. We got an FDF angle kit for this, so check that out. By the way, FDF is super nice. Their welds are insane. I would almost say their welds are better than Wisefab, because I have Wisefab on the 370 and it does not look that good. So that's all the suspension. This thing's looking gnarly. Nothing new under the hood. Just gotta obviously take the radiator back out, put a new fan on there. But that's all stuff we're gonna do this week. I'm gonna turn this light off because I'm blind. Okay, anyway, so yeah, wow, I can't see anything. But these TEs look amazing. They do rub a little bit, but I think with those new fenders, we should be fine. I do need to get actual wheels to drift on at some point, so we'll have to figure that out. If anyone wants to recommend If anyone wants to recommend some wheels, let me know. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next one where we start probably wide bodying it. I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna go from here. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Speedburner. Make sure you enter the front mount intercooler giveaway because it's still going on, probably till the end of April. And yeah, peace out.